This is NBC News. I am your host, Adam Michael. From the Atlanta metro area, we have some news for you. People have been hearing weird sounds in the forest. These sounds are some kind of roar. It sounded like a giant ape. But this cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents in the forest should leave the forest immediately, cause this ape may be extremely dangerous. Stay tuned for more information. This is NBC News. I am Adam Michael, and it has been confirmed that weird sounds that were coming from the forest are indeed gorilla sounds. The one and only King Kong. This is King Kong from the original Godzilla vs. Kong movie, and is not hostile. The ape has been seen being friendly to humans. However, many reports are coming in from New York City that something is swimming towards the coastline. We are not sure what it is, but all residents of New York City must stay indoors right now.
Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Godzilla has returned again and has showed up in the New York City area. All residents in New York City must evacuate immediately. Godzilla has been seen landing at the Statue of Liberty. It has been confirmed that this Godzilla is from the 1962 Godzilla vs. King Kong movie. When evacuating, take supplies with you, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for more information on catastrophic situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Godzilla is continuing his rampage. Godzilla is over Long Island, and is gonna continue terrorizing into Manhattan. If haven't evacuated, do so now. King Kong is on his way to New York right now, to try and stop Godzilla. In addition, Godzilla has been seen entering New Jersey. If you're in New Jersey, be prepare to evacuate the state immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. civil danger warning for Washington, D.C. and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington, D.C. Police Department and the United States government. Godzilla has destroyed the state of New Jersey and is now in the Washington, D.C. metro area. D.C. is now on fire because of Godzilla's atomic breath. The Capitol building, the Washington Monument, and the White House have been burned to ashes. King Kong is in Washington, D.C., ready to fight Godzilla. Everyone in the D.C. area, seek an underground shelter immediately. Godzilla and Kong are gonna fight now, so be prepared for the big battle. Stay tuned for information on this dangerous situation. An administrative message from the Washington, D.C. Police Department. King Kong and Godzilla have stopped fighting, and they both dropped into the sea. Godzilla has stopped attacking the city, and Kong dropped into the sea too, but we don't if he was killed from Godzilla, but the threat is over, and all residents are free to exit their shelters at this time. However, there is massive damage to the D.C. area and surrounding areas. The states that suffered the most is the D.C. area, New Jersey, and New York. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may resume at this time.